10 barriers to effective communication. 1. Physical barriers. These are such things as inadequate equipment, such as outdated computers, phones with poor signals, background noise, poor lighting, temperatures that are too hot or too cold, tangible items that may interfere with communication efforts. 2. Attitudes. Sometimes strong emotions like anger or sadness can taint your objectivity. Being extremely nervous, having a personal agenda, or asserting a need to win the argument can make communications less than effective. Such interfering emotions are also known as emotional noise. 3. Language. This may seem like a minor obstacle, but even people who speak the same native language can have difficulty understanding each other if they are from different generations or different regions of the same country. Slang, professional jargon, and regional colloquialisms can hurt communicators with even the best intentions. 4. Physiological barriers. Ill health, poor eyesight, hearing difficulties, and pain are all physiological obstacles to effective communication. 5. Problems with structured design. Companies or institutions can have unclear organizational structures, making communications difficult. Bad information systems, lack of supervision, and employee training are also to blame for faulty communications. 6. Cultural noise. People sometimes make assumptions about others based on their cultural background and associated stereotypes. 7. Lack of common experience. It's a great idea to use examples or stories to explain or enhance a point. However, if others cannot relate to these examples because they do not have the same knowledge or shared experiences, then this tool will be ineffective. 8. Ambiguity and overuse of abstractions. Leaving things half said or using too many generalizations, proverbs, or sayings can lead to lack of clarity, which in turn lends itself to misinterpretation. 9. Information overload. It takes time to process large quantities of information, and too many details can overwhelm and distract the audience from the important topics. 10. Jumping to conclusions. Making assumptions before listening to all the facts can be problematic in the least and catastrophic at worst.